Everyone has a choice. Sometimes the wrong one could be the difference between life and death. We make our choices, then our choices make us.
Right, guys?
Alright,
Yeah.
do you want
I'll take it after, like.
that? What do you mean after, bet? I ain't holding that on me
No,
all
I'm in a
day.
bit of a rush
Nah,
now.
bet. I ain't holding that on me all day.
No, I'm in a rush though.
Whatever, man.
Yeah, I'll catch you after.
Alright.
Alright, bro. Where you been then?
Going home now, aren't
Yeah, Mum's looking for you anyway.
Oh, is she?
Yeah.
Oh, see you after.
Yeah, make sure you get home.
Will do.
Tactics brother Tim over there.
Where? Oh, come here, bet.
What?
Right, where's your brother too?
I don't know, he's gone over a mate's house.
Yeah. Right, that's your brother's hat. Right, make sure you give it to him.
Yeah, I will.
You better.
Alright. Right now, I've still got my choice. Hello? Oh yeah, I'll be home now, Mum. Won't be long. 5 minutes. Okay, I'm coming.
Hello, right there. Yeah, I've given the hat with the fruit to your brother.
What do you think you're doing giving him the stuff, man? It's my bro, I don't want him involved in all this stuff.
That's in your hands, not my problem.
Don't want him involved in this kind of stuff.
I'll see you later.
Right, try it.
Alright, bro?
Was that hat fingers give you then?
Oh, I don't know. I think I
Where
put
is
it by
it?
the rugby field.
I thought you were going home anyway.
No, I was, but he gave me a hat.
Yeah, but come on, we need to go
Alright,
and find our hat.
find
Fingers
the hat.
give you. Let's go.
Alright. It's only a hat, what's the big deal?
Nothing, just don't worry, we need to find it.
Alright.
Come on, but hurry up.
What? It's only just over here.
Hurry up then. Where's your
I
hat?
don't know where it's gone, I put it right here.
Where's it gone?
I don't know, someone must
Where's
have
it
took it. What's the big deal? It's only a hat.
So it's gone?
Yes.
It's gone.
I don't know where it's gone.
Oh, we're in trouble.
It's only a hat, bro. It's a
It's
big
not
deal.
just the hat though.
It is.
Oh, make sure you get home now, alright?
Yeah, I'll go home.
And if you see
You come in.
fingers, no, I gotta stay here and sort
Alright.
something out. But if you see fingers, ignore him, just go straight home,
Okay,
alright?
I'll go home.
I'll get going then.
Hello. Head deck. Aye, where's my money? Aye, but you owe me money, you lost my drugs. I got your brother here right now. You want to speak?
Have they?
Nah, we can't be doing this. Just let him go, he ain't none of our business. It's my brother, you gotta let him go, right?
Aye, make your way now.
I know where you are, it'll be 5 minutes now. Try a bit.
Oh! Oh! Well, let's get up there.
Hectic! Oh my god, hectic! Someone help! Hectic! Help! Someone help! Hectic! Sometimes, a simple choice can be the difference between your life and your death.